Guys, welcome back to my channel KDP Vlogs, and today me and my son Rick will be taking a video on my Dominar 400 modifications which I have done recently and which I have bought from Hyperrider, thanks to Hyperrider. And also I have bought few things from Luvia Industries. This is the number plate holder which I have got from Hyperrider. Then you can see the fog lamp holder. It's from Luvia Industries. And this is the knuckle guard which I bought from Wellington local market. It's cost me around 900 rupees. This is my mobile phone holder with charger. It cost me 1100 rupees and it's also from Wellington. This is my action cam holder which I bought from Flipkart. It cost me around 600 rupees. And now let's come to the crash guard which I bought from Hyperrider. In my description link I will be giving you the contact numbers for Hyperrider, so that if you want to buy you can contact them directly. And the best thing is that this one, the rear foot rest from Luvia, I have installed both sides, and this is the saddle stay. The saddle stay is from Hyperrider, and the back stay and the top rack from Hyperrider itself. And this is the top box which is from Sturd, and I bought it from Amazon and it cost me 1500 rupees. This one is also from Luvia Industries. And this fog lamp is from the local market Wellington, and it cost me around 1100 rupees. And one thing, the other fixed one Hela twin horns which I bought from the Kolkata bikers. It cost me 1600 rupees.
Modifications of the Dominar 400. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Till then,